I am Shanti and my friends Prince Patel focusing on make a project on the topic of charging and discharging of capacitance. In this project, we use different apparatus like capacitance, resistor, LED, battery, switch. In this project, we study about the charging and discharging of capacitor. In this first circuit, the charging circuit. In this circuit, we study about how capacitor charge and second circuit we study about discharging of circuit. In in first circuit, we connected a external source of voltage, means battery, with a LED resistor and capacitor. When we switch on, the flow of electrons start from this, and electron means charge, capacitor charge, and this process called charging of capacitor. And the second, when we connect capacitor directly with LED and resistor, when we switch on second. When we switch on second circuit, the energy of capacitor flow and LED glows instantly. Means capacitor have capacity store energy, which and dimming of light means capacitor slowly discharging. This process is called discharging of capacitor. This process and uses of capacitor have in real life. Capacitor we use in fans to give a momentum to start the fan, and precautions of this charge the capacitor limit. Beyond the limit, it will damage the operators and etc. And when you discharging circuit, please remember that switch is open. And third, all that experiment have instruction have regularly.
Do the process.
When we switch on of this first circuit, charging circuit, electron flows and capacitor charge slowly, and dimming of light this give, and we stop the external source of voltage. For proof, we remove this. And this LED glows with the energy of capacitor store. This instantaneous glow shows the energy of capacitor transferred to LED, which transmit in light, and slowly dimming means capacitor will fully discharge. Thanks.
Application of capacitor.
Capacitor store energy, and there is a lot of uses in daily life of capacitor, like when we start the fan, then it accelerates or it momentum gives momentum to the fan to accelerate, and capacitor is also has to transfer the energy, and it conserve the energy in less time period. We can conserve and store energy in capacitor for some time.
What is the value of resistance?
100 ohm. There is R1 resistance, that is the value of 100 ohm. It can resist the 100 ohms of resistance.
And R2?
Both are same.
The value of resistance R1 and R2 both are same.
100 ohm.
What is capacitor? Define capacitor.
Switch.